Hello. To give a bit of background, Activision recently decided to make all of the Call of Duty accounts private instead of public. This means that items like the Modern Warfare Discord bot or the Tracker network can no longer access your data unless you make your account public again. To do this, you go to the my.callofduty.com website, link in the description below. From there on, you click on login and you log in with your username and password. After you've signed up, you will see on the top right that there is an item where you can find in the menu the first item is connected accounts. If you click that one, you will arrive on your profile page where you can see your linked accounts like Blizzard, Xbox, or PlayStation. On this page, you will see that your data is currently set to visible. So we have here data visible set to all for my Blizzard account, for example. Now, there is a little problem on the background of the website. It will show that it's set to all, even though it is set to private. So what you want to do to fix that, you want to change your data visible to none at least once, and then change it back to all to make sure that the system on the background of Activision knows that your account is set to public. Once you've done that, try the Discord bot again or try Tracker Network again, and you should see that it is able to pull your statistics again after this change. Thank you for watching and good luck.